I walk along the canal, getting lost, losing my bearings until something else takes my eyes. A window. A woman is in the window. She is standing next to a table. She looks at ease. I say to myself, oh, of course, there are black people here. Curacao, Suriname, the Dutch West Indies. I stare at her. She stares back until I feel that I am intruding. I miss my step like a gazing child. When I look up, there is another window with another woman, then another. It dawns on me slowly as history. Oh, how artless of me. Oh, yes, it's Amsterdam. I am struck by the fact that all the scenes in the windows are domestic. My character, Maya, stares at me impatiently, waiting for me to recognize her. Then, as if having no time with my innocence, she goes about her business. This window and this woman, the one sitting so casually, find their way into the novel. Edward Galeano writes in Walking Words, I'm alone in a foreign city and I don't know anyone, nor do I understand the language, but suddenly someone shines in the middle of the crowd, shining suddenly like a word lost on the page or any patch of grass on the skin of the earth. In Dam Square, I spot my character Adrian. It is night. He is walking busily back and forth in a jerky walk. He is wiping sweat from his face with a distracted hand. His body is light and wind-bent, though there is no wind. He gathers his coat up around his ears, though it is summer, but he is cold from something missing in his veins. He is trembling. With my usual preciousness at first, I do not catch the play for some minutes. Then he shines. That is Kamina's boy, the boy lost to directions. Then I am sad on Dam Square, all the way here to look so dry-faced on Dam Square. I feel like sitting there, right there beneath the statue covered in pigeon waste. I feel like sitting there and crying. I feel bereft. I feel abandoned by Marie Ursule to city squares and windows and public places where I am on display and must make a display like Exotica. I feel marooned, like Kamina, marooned now in outposts and suburbs and street corners anywhere in the world. I am adrift, spilled out. With Adrian and Maya at the end of this century in any city all over the world, with nothing as certain as Marie Ursule coming. We are all abandoned, all scattered in Marie Ursule's hopelessness and her skill. This novel doesn't begin because of any of this. It begins because I am a writer. I like the way a word can bloom a whole other set of words. And I like the gesture of an arm on a street corner or in a church. I like the faint whiff of perfume, a hip-shotted walk, a trail of cloth, dappling light off a tree, through a curtain, at a window, strong coffee, artichoke hearts, and dry white wine. The novel begins because I am sitting in a 2-story pine house in the middle of winter in Burnt River, drinking coffee, and a spider is figuring out how to catch the flies buzzing on the window pane, and by this time, I have no other skill. So, I begin to write.